don't worry, be happy. You see that? Jamaica. Mama, grandpapa, and grandmama from Jamaica. Then my father from Chile. So I am a piña colada. Yes, man. Over here you find people actually from all the entire world. In this little town, we speak Patois. Patois is a mix between English, French, and a little bit of Spanish. And the language of the country, Espanol. My friends, I hope you remember all the information. And the way back, you're going to have a test. Yes, and I have been practicing this. You know why? We're going to a river. And probably you're going to learn how to swim and how to run. Yes, man. Now, above the country, the capital is San Jose. From where we are right now to San Jose is around 3 hours and a half far. And the entire country composed by 7 provinces. They're on the Caribbean, Portugal, Pacific Coast, Punta Arenas, and Guanacaste. And right in the middle of the country, Heredia, Cartago, Alajuela, and also the capital, San Jose. Costa Rica is a tiny, tiny country, 51,100 square kilometers. From the Caribbean to the Pacific Coast, it's just 6 hours. Where almost all you guys coming from? West, United States? Okay, just to make you have an idea, this entire country will fit very well in Michigan Lake. Yes, all of it, just 6 hours from coast to coast. But that's enough for changing the environment. This little town, Port Limon, 7 months with rain. In the middle of the rainy season, in 10 hours over here, we can have around 12 inches of water. Then the humidity all the time, 85 to 100%. And the forest all year around has a green color. Meanwhile, on the other side, on the Pacific Coast, 6 hours far from here, the rain for 2 months. It's over dry, no kind of humidity, and almost all the forest has a brown color. And right in the middle of this country, we have high elevations. The highest point of Costa Rica, 12,000 feet above the sea level. Also, do you notice that there is no high buildings? You know why?
Hurricane.
Close and far, earthquakes. Yes. Our neighbors Panama and Nicaragua calls Costa Rica the rocking country. That is because we have 12 volcanoes and 5 are active right now. Also, we are right on the top of Cocos and Caribbean blocks. So over here it's normal to have little earthquakes. During the 91, this place where the Limon suffered the biggest one of all Costa Rica, 7.7. Almost 90% of the stone was burned complete. Then we started a new process by 2001. Do you have any question until this point?
Not as many there.
No? Okay, then.
I mean sidewalks. Sidewalks.
Really easy. My grandpa was Christopher Columbus. No. You remember the amount of rain that we have over here? That's very good for this country. 98% of the energy in Costa Rica is produced by hydropower or natural sources. By 2030, Costa Rica is going to be the first eco country around the world with 100% of the energy and natural sources. Also, a very good detail, listen, is that right now this is the only country in Central America where you can drink water straight from the top without having diarrhea. Yes, 95% of this country has potable water in their home, including the neighborhoods in the top of the mountain. No. I think you're getting worried. Do you read your ticket this morning? What it says? Limon. Your ticket says, Veraguas Rainforest, Tortuguero Canal, Adrenaline Adventure. The tour guide is going to need a volunteer. Oh, man, you're in trouble. Who's going to be my volunteer? Okay. He's gonna be my volunteer. The adrenaline in Costa Rica is 140 different kind of snakes. 20 very, very dangerous. We have fer-de-lance, bushmaster, pit viper, rattlesnakes, coral, eyelashes, pump pit viper. You hear well, eyelashes. Just imagine a snake that go like this. The problem is that where we are going, the most dangerous creature you can find has 2 inches or 3 inches big, something like this. Scorpion? Scorpions taste like chicken. They're dangerous, but not that much. Any idea?
Spider.
Centipede.
Spiders? No, centipede. Frog. Frogs, they're very, very dangerous, but once you step, they go away. But the creature I'm talking about, after you step, they go straight on you. Did you ever see an ant with 2 inches or 3 inches big? Something like this. Yes, the name is bullet ant. The name is because doctors compare the pain of the ant of the bullet Also, they have the same size of a caliber 38, the bullet, right? As you know, all the ants around the world, they used to be wasps. That means they have big jaws and a stinger that sting many times. Just one is 24 hours of pain.
Oh my God.
And the top of our mountain, okay, the population of Port Limon is 475,000. 75,000 lives in the mountain. If you're a teenager and you want to have a family over there, you got to prove that you are very strong, good enough. So the leaders, what we call caciques, they take banana leaves, they fold them, they make gloves, and they put hundreds of bullet ants inside the gloves. And they try it on the teenagers.
Oh, I saw that on TV.
Yes, if they stand in pain,
yes.
they are good enough to have a family.
They just put all the ants inside.
Today, I'm going to tell you something. The best way for learn around the world, seeing, smelling, tasting, or feeling. The last one is the best, unforgettable. When I was 12 years old, I get bit by a bullet ant right on my hand. It was so painful that they take me to the hospital. They tried anabolics and painkillers, and they didn't work. You just stand the pain for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, your hand get in the double of the size by the amount of liquid you accumulate.
Okay, now I'm terrified.
Oh, but I have an entire family already. I have to live in proof over here.
I think so. Either that or a slow. I have it. Couldn't do it when we get out of the bus.
Ready to crazy, sir? You just hold the head. Let's open it control. So you see, well, you see, you're gonna be my volunteer. And a lady sits, right? You see. Okay, don't worry. And you're so serious. Don't worry, be happy. I am a paramedic assistant. You just hold it and break the head. Okay, you break the head. Go ahead. Go ahead, yeah. Come on. Hey, don't worry, be happy. This is what I want to show you. Thank you. You have a brave man right there. After somebody tell me that I'm going to suffer 24 hours of pain, I'm not going to put my hand in nobody. No way. Thank you for that, man. But I want to show you. It's the anato. Do you recognize it? No. Look at
It's
it.
like a strawberry.
Feel it. Feel it, sir. It's not a strawberry. Also, it looks like a lychee.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Feel it. You're a brave man. Sure of that. Listen, what you have there is what we call the local people 4 in 1. There you have medicine, you have spices, and you have makeup, and you have lipstick, all inside of it. So once you plant the tree, it's gonna last 4 years to grow. After 4 years, you can harvest it twice a year. A little tree of cacao, those ones gonna produce around 90 cacaos. That's gonna be enough for around 20 hours of chocolate.
Can I plant that?
Yeah. You can't bring it to America.
No, yes. After you ferment it, this fermentation is gonna give the flavor of chocolate.
Oh, look in the back. see the air plants growing on the power lines?
Yeah.
Look at them. Oh, that's funny.
Oh, we've seen that before.
On the power lines?
Yes. It's right there.
I don't remember air plants on the power lines.
It's a great thing.
Bus stop right there.
You see all those? Those, like I have at home. Put the big trees here. He's just gonna have
It's just so bright.
Well, it's broken up.
That's a tree.
Cast down, down by the river, down below.
It looks steep on the other side.
Of course.
I was just gonna say
Well, it's 7 months of it. It's crazy.
but I don't know if it's 7 months of rain.
Take pictures on that side.
I just saw a really close word bird that was flying.
For sale. Yeah, we became self-sufficient.
I would only be concerned about the heat and the poisonous things.
Rough on it.
Must have
Sleep
Take a look on your left and your right side. Right on the Scenic tree.
See on
There
that
you
tree?
have a roadside hawk.
Up there on that tree, do you see it?
You know, this-
You can go ahead, I think. Can you go out?
That's a big old eagle or anything.
That's a roadside hawk. No, that's a turkey vulture.
Can you fix my straps back there?
Look on your right and your left side. The bird is hanging. The name of the bird is the Oriole Montezuma. The male lasts around 1 month for build the nest. After he builds the nest, he calls the female.
Those things hanging.
Once he has the attention of the female, she gets on the top of the branch.
Those are house plants too. I think we just saw lipstick on it. baby puppy.